everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Cash App login not working without even opening the app. If Cash App refuses access, then try this. First of all, check Wi-Fi or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out your network issues. And also make sure you're on a stable network so it works properly, since it needs a good stable network to work. After that, you're going to restart your iPhone. After you reopen your phone, head over to your app store, search for Cash App, and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Update the app to make sure you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, if that did not work, go ahead and check your email or Gmail to see if there are any security notices. Check your inbox, check your trash, check your spam. It might be there also. After that, you're going to try logging in from cashapp.com in Safari. Go to your Safari, search for cash.app. After you search there and try logging in from here. Quick fix: turn off VPN, it blocks Cash App logins, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.